everyone, welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Venla. If you are preparing for the NTPC Assistant Chemist Trainee examination, one of the most common question in the minds of students is, what is the syllabus, which books or study should I follow, and how should I prepare chemistry for the exam? In this video, I am going to explain the complete exam pattern and the chemistry syllabus along with what you study from intermediate degree and MSc level. I will also explain which topics are more important and how can you practice questions effectively. So watch the video completely because by the end of this video, you will have clear idea about what to study and how to prepare for the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee exam. As per the NTPC official syllabus, the examination consists of 120 questions. The paper is broadly divided into two sections. Aptitude 50 questions, Chemistry 70 questions. So, chemistry carries a very important weightage in the examination. First, let's understand the aptitude section. For the aptitude section, you don't need to go into very advanced material. The major areas are verbal ability or general English. Focus on basic grammar, vocabulary, sentence correction, comprehension, and other fundamental English topics. Quantitative aptitude. Prepare the basic concept of arithmetic, percentage, ratio, average, profit and loss, time and work, time and distance, simple and compound interest, data interpretation and other standard aptitude topics. Reasoning ability. Focus on basic reasoning concepts such as series, analogy, classification, coding and decoding, blood relation, directions, logical reasoning, puzzles and other standard reasoning topics. For aptitude, the important thing is regular practice. Don't spend too much time on reading theory. Understand the basic concept and then solve a large number of questions. Now we come to most important part, chemistry. The chemistry section consists of approximately physical chemistry 25 questions, organic chemistry 20 questions, inorganic chemistry 25 questions. Let's discuss each section separately. For physical chemistry, the major topics include atomic structure, states of matter, chemical thermodynamics, chemical and ionic equilibrium, redox reactions, phase equilibria, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, and nuclear chemistry. For most important these topics, your intermediate level fundamentals are very important. My suggestion is first thoroughly study, understand the concept from NCERT Chemistry Class 11 and Class 12. Don't simply memorize the formulas. Understand what is the concept, why does the formula work, how it is applied in a problem. After completing the intermediate level concept, you can revise the relevant topics from your degree MSc Chemistry syllabus, especially the areas that you have already studied. And most importantly, practice a large number of questions. Because in the examination, knowing the theory alone is not enough. You should be able to apply the concept quickly. Next comes to organic chemistry, which carries around 20 questions. Start with the fundamentals. The most important topics include basic organic chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature, general organic chemistry, basic reaction concept, hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkynes, benzene and aromatic compounds. I have already uploaded the videos explaining these topics, so you can go through those videos once and revise the concept. Next, concentrate on functional groups and their important reaction. You should prepare compounds containing halogen functional group, oxygen containing, nitrogen containing functional groups. Also prepare heterocyclic compound spectroscopy, biomolecules, environmental chemistry, chemistry in everyday life. For spectroscopy and some advanced organic topics, you should have understanding the MSc and degree level. But for topics such as biomolecules, environmental chemistry, chemistry in everyday life, intermediate level NCERT preparation is very useful. Again, after understanding the concept, practice questions. Now, let's come to inorganic chemistry, which carries around 25 questions. The first important area is periodic trends. You should clearly understand the increasing and decreasing trends of periodic properties such as atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity or electron gain tendency, electronegativity, metallic and non-metallic character. Don't just memorize the trends. Understand why the trend increase or decrease. Next, very important topic is chemical bonding. Focus on especially on hybridization, molecular geometry, bond pairs, lone pair, shape of molecule, basic bonding concept. I have already explained chemical bonding in a separate video. So make sure you watch that video and revise the concept properly. After that, prepare main group elements, transition elements. After that, prepare main group elements, transition elements, lanthanoids, coordination chemistry, nomenclature of coordination compounds, metallurgy, basic analytical chemistry. You should have a strong understanding of the important concept, reaction properties and application from these chapters. For some topics, revise your degree and MSc notes, particularly the portions you have already studied. You should also revise relevant bioorganic chemistry topics from your MSc syllabus. Don't try to study everything from every textbook. The important point is to identify the topics relevant to the NTPC syllabus and prepare from them systematically. Now comes to most important question. Which material should I study? My suggestion is to follow a 3-level approach. First one, intermediate NCERT. First, make your fundamentals strong using NCERT class 11 and class 12 chemistry. This is particularly important for physical chemistry fundamentals, organic chemistry basics, inorganic chemistry fundamentals. Read the concept carefully and make sure you understand them. Second, degree level. After completing the basics, revise the relevant topics from your degree chemistry syllabus. Don't read the entire chemistry syllabus blindly. Focus on topics mentioned in the NTPC syllabus. Next, finally look at the relevant MSc chemistry topics, especially for advanced areas such as spectroscopic coordination chemistry, bioorganic chemistry and other higher level concepts. You don't have to study every MSc chapter in depth. Study selectively according to the syllabus. One more important point, don't spend all your preparation time only in reading. After completing each chapter, solve questions. For example, study chemical equilibrium, solve the questions. Study electrochemistry, solve the questions. This will help you understand the type of concept being tested. The more questions you practice, the faster you become at identifying the correct approach. I have already uploaded the examination video on the NTPC sample paper. I strongly recommend that you watch that video after studying the basic concept, because when you solve or watch the explanation of the model paper, you will understand how are the questions being asked. Are they directly asking facts? Are they testing concept? At what level are the questions are being asked? Once you understand the question pattern, you can prepare much more effectively. So don't just study the syllabus. Understand the type of questions that can be asked from the syllabus. So if you have to summarize the complete preparation strategy, understand the NTPC syllabus, complete your intermediate or NCERT fundamentals, revise the relevant degree level topics, cover selected MSc level topics whenever required. Practice a large number of questions. Solve model papers and previous year questions. Identify your weak areas and revise them repeatedly. And remembering one thing, don't try to study everything. Study what is relevant, understand the concept clearly, and practice as many questions as possible. I hope this video gives you clear idea about the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee exam pattern, syllabus, study material and preparation strategy. Remember, target is not simply to complete the syllabus. Your target should be concept clarity, proper vision, question practice. Especially for chemistry, first make your NCERT intermediate fundamentals strong. Then move towards degree MSc topics whenever required. And don't forget to watch my NTPC sample paper explanation video, because it will help you understand the actual style of concept based questions. If you found this video helpful, share with your friends who are preparing for the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee examination. All the best for your preparation. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching.